Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon version of the YouTube logo. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go straight up like this. And then as I get up here, I'm going to kind of curve it in the corner. And then down here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of curve it. Now, as I draw this line across, I'm going to kind of curve it up and then down. And then I want to do the same thing down here, just kind of curve it up and then down. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this one right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And then I'm going to curve this line and I'm going to go down. And I'm just going to kind of follow this shape. So I'm going to come down here and then I'm going to curve around. And then just kind of go up and then meet right here. Now, for the little arrow in here, I'm just going to draw a line right here that's just going to go down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up at an angle. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to kind of connect it right to here for a little arrow. Then I'm just going to draw a little line down here and a little line down here. And then I'm just going to, just how I did down here, kind of follow this shape all the way around until I get up to here. Just kind of make it look a little three-dimensional. Now, I want to put a little face on here. So starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. And then over here, I'm going to draw another circle for another eye. Then I'm going to put a big circle inside of here. And then I'm going to put a smaller circle down here. And then I'm just going to color this part in real quick, just leaving those two circles white. So you just want to fill these areas in. Then, right in the middle here, I'm going to make a mouth. So I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves to here. Make a little line that just kind of goes down and up. And then I'll just put a little line across for the tongue. And then we can just color this part in as well, just to make it kind of stand out. Then right above here, I'm going to draw a little curved line and just kind of color it in a little bit for some eyebrows. And then same thing over here, making one end a little bit bigger than the other. And there you go. There's your little drawing of a cartoon YouTube logo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.